stress doesn't just happen under the blazing sun. In tourism and hospitality, workers can be at risk in kitchens, laundry rooms, patios, and hiking trails alike. This quick video will walk you through what heat stress looks like, where it shows up in our industry, and how you as an employer can prevent it. Heat stress happens when the body can't cool itself fast enough. This can lead to dehydration, heat exhaustion, or even heat stroke, a medical emergency. Early signs include headaches, dizziness, nausea, muscle cramps, and fatigue. If ignored, symptoms can rapidly escalate to confusion, fainting, or loss of consciousness. Heat stress isn't limited to indoor jobs either. In hospitality, we often see it in hot kitchens and dish areas, laundry rooms, outdoor events and patios, or among tour guides and landscapers. It worsens with heavy workloads, poor airflow, or PPE that traps in the heat. New or returning workers are also higher risk, especially if they're not used to the heat yet. As an employer, you have a legal and moral responsibility to prevent heat-related harm. Start with a risk assessment, identify those hot spots in your workplace, and use those tools like Humidex and WorkSafeBC's heat stress assessment tool. Some controls you can implement include providing water and cool down areas, using fans and air conditioning, adjusting workloads or schedules, rotating staff in and out of hot environments, and encouraging water intake, PPE use, and early reporting. Creating a culture that supports rest and hydration can go a long way. We've curated practical resources to make heat stress prevention easier for you. These include worker awareness posters and videos for both indoor and outdoor settings, a heat stress safety talk, and an exposure control plan template. You'll also find a link to WorkSafeBC's free heat stress assessment tool to help assess heat exposure risks in real time, plus guidance on adapting controls to suit your unique work environment. Everything's tailored for BC tourism and hospitality industry and built with your teams in mind. Scan the QR code on the screen or visit gotohr.ca to explore the full resource hub on heat stress. If you're looking for personalized support, we encourage you to book a free one-on-one consultation with our health and safety team. Stay ahead of the heat and lead a safer, stronger team.